Welcome all my friends to the show that never ends. We are so glad you couldn't attend. Come inside, come inside. TEMU unboxing with Rights Crispy the man. We don't know what's inside, so I might not publish this anyway.
I'm not the man. We stick it to the man.
We
Correct.
stick it to the man. The man be sticking it to the man. Be sticking it to the man. All right, we're at Rights Crispy's house. We got this box. He's ready to unbox. We used to call this Christmas back in the day. Now we call this twice a week.
This is the new Wish. Apparently, they have a lot of data mining if you download the app onto your phone.
Oh, I did that.
Yeah, they know everything about you now.
Time to take that off.
All right, so it looks like little kids'
Thank you.
backpack here. Yeah. Got a little
backpack. You remember any of the prices?
No, I think the whole box was like $12 or something.
The whole box?
I don't know.
Okay.
But it was something ridiculous. Let's see. What is in here? I don't know. I didn't order any of this stuff. My wife did.
It's all good.
So we'll just see what kind of quality stuff you get from TEMU. So far, we've been happy with the first box. This is box 2 of 2. The last one, all the stuff we got came out pretty dope. Oh, look.
Oh, there you go.
Mag ticket.
Come closer.
Little tin.
Beautiful.
Tin sign that you can hang up.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
He has a whole like old school turntable and stuff here. A lot of records.
Shout out to Leslie Sylvan.
Shout out to Leslie.
She supplied a lot of those records. No little backpack with little Hello Kitty stuff.
Hello Kitty backpack.
Yeah.
What we got here?
This is, I think, just a regular backpack. Seems like, yeah, that's a bag.
Are you gonna make more babies or something?
I don't know. This is what it. Oh no, I guess this is some kind of.
It's a giant scalloping bag.
Net. I don't know what this is for.
That's volleyball. That's suspension. That's. My mind's only getting in the wrong place at this point.
It might be a soccer goal. No, that's not what that is.
What?
I don't know what that is.
Say it loud. Say it proud. You wussy.
Oh, this is pretty cool. We got these. 2 of these.
Uh-oh, honeycombs.
These are molds, so you can do concrete pavers yourself.
Oh.
You do your own concrete paver molds. Because we don't like our pathways out there. So.
Closer. There you go. Cool.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Just follow the instructions.
Mm-hmm.
You got the mold right here. That's pretty cool.
That is cool.
I'm going to use those. What's in here? Another one of those tin signs.
There you go.
What's this one? Johnny Cash, the Man in Black.
Oh, that's super awesome.
Nice.
That is nice.
Love Johnny Cash.
You're gonna think you're in like a speakeasy or something. You come over here.
And Boy Named Sue, one of my favorite songs. Kind of hits home.
We have a dog named Blue.
Oh yeah.
It's a girl named Sue, isn't it? Or boy named Sue.
Boy Named Sue.
What
We
did
got
I
a
say?
dog named Blue.
Yeah.
Tell you a little story. I went to town. Boy started kicking my dog around. Makes no difference if he is a hound. Better stop kicking my dog around. Go on, Blue. You're a good boy, you.
I'd sing along if I knew what he was singing, but he has a dog named Blue. He's thirsty in the beginning.
These are little tiki dolls
Oh, that's awesome.
for your
Incense or something? Oh.
for your garden.
Ah.
Solar powered.
Ah. That'll scare away the snakes. And the giant spiders.
And then this is a what is this? Solar bidirectional wall lamp.
Wow.
All right.
That's so you can like light up the house.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, like line up the path
Yeah.
or something right there, or like your steps.
You gonna land your Cessna?
Yeah. Running lights. There you go. You got another pack of those.
Cool.
Pulse monitor. Measure your pulse. Just stick your finger in there.
Very medical. Very necessary.
Yeah, yeah. And got another one here.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good gift that you could get your elderly family.
Show everyone how bad their health is during the holidays.
Yeah, or stay on top of it. Make sure it stays good.
Whatever, Mr. Healthy.
Whatever these things are.
Those are ramekins.
Little ketchup dishes.
Yep.
We got a bunch of those. We need those for our ranch dressing whenever we
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
And this is I don't know if it's like a toothbrush holder or something.
I think that holds pool cues.
Does it hold
No.
cookies? It holds something. Again, my wife bought all these things, so it holds something.
Let me see the back. The suction cups on the back.
Oh, you could like put stuff on there. You leave it.
Oh,
on
like
your
cords,
countertop,
cables.
and then you stand up your plates or something, or your knife or something on there. I don't know.
Comb the desert.
We'll ask my wife what the hell she was thinking
All
when
right.
she gets back. Okay, Type C cord. to
C
go with
charger.
Something. Yeah.
Cool.
And then,
Can't have enough of those.
Oh, these are cool for our music room. We got these coasters. I remember when she told me about these. But since we have a vinyl record player, these are little vinyl coasters. You see, they look like little records.
Take one out, man.
Yeah, let's look at them.
Yeah. Unbox the unbox.
Unboxing.
Oh, there you go. You don't have to take it
Oh,
out.
wow. It's like actual plastic. Cool. Like a vinyl record. It's got little grooves
Oh,
in it.
dude, how cool is that? Let me see.
I'm sure it plays something.
How cool is it?
Oh, wait. It does have a song on it.
No
we can play
way.
this. We're totally going to play these.
No way.
Yes.
Sunset Records. Too hot to handle.
This nostalgics.
These are actually records.
These are actually records.
These are records!
That's awesome. They're going to get ruined in the first cup of coffee, but, I mean, maybe they won't.
Dude, how cool is that?
That is super cool.
Get some different coasters.
All right, and this is, we don't have a fancy KitchenAid stand mixer or anything.
Super
but
7-speed.
we got something now instead of old Popeye arm. That.
I've never even used one of them for anything.
No?
Mm-mm.
Make ice cream.
I don't do desserts. Oh, that's a cool little mixing bowl.
I make my own ice cream
Cool.
with the 2 steel bowls method.
I don't know how to make ice cream.
Oh, you just fill one bowl with ice and then put another steel bowl in there and mix in 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 3/4 cups of sugar, a splash of vanilla, and
Whatever.
mix it up for 10 minutes and then put it in your freezer for an hour. Bring it out, add whatever chopped up fruit or whatever you want.
And
in
that's
there.
ice cream.
Mix it up again and leave it in your freezer for 24 hours. The next day you have ice cream. That's it. That's another little.
So I can make ice cream with
Yeah.
stevia.
Look at that. Comes
That's
with a little bowl.
pretty
and
damn
everything.
cool.
Yeah, all this stuff was just a few bucks, man. Very inexpensive. I don't know
More?
what this is. This metal.
It's kind of fun.
What is this?
That is taco holders.
Yes, that's exactly what that is. She told me she was getting these.
Taco
How'd
holders.
you know that?
Man, it's food related.
Yeah, exactly. Master Chef. Yes, Chef. Have you seen that show, The Bear?
We watched the first season.
The second season is good. It's really good too.
That's what it's like growing up in the restaurants, honestly.
It's too bad that guy dies at the end. There. I'm just kidding. Spoiler. Nobody died. It's such a good show, though. I really like the character arc because you end up like hating some people at first, and then they end up being like shown. And that's how it is in the restaurant.
Do you ever like the brother or the cousin?
Oh, Richie.
Yeah.
He grows on you later on. You'll see. You'll see.
Like a bowl-eat mushroom?
Oh, you'll see. You'll see.
Okay. Damn, they really secure their taco holders.
They don't want anything to happen to this indestructible steel.
And then they're individually wrapped.
Jesus.
Holy crap.
Yeah, this is not funny. And yeah, there's like if we wanted to serve a whole bunch of tacos one day for a whole bunch of people,
You just
we're
set them
set.
on there.
We are set.
Taco service.
All right, that was tacos. Here we have stickers for our kids when they do a good job. We're going to be rewarding them with those.
His kids are 21 and 25, by the way.
And little kids' camera. Teach them how to record the police.
There you go. Always record the police.
And then, what do you call it? Juliet? No, what do you call
Veggie
this?
chopper.
This is called mandolin.
That is not a mandolin.
Yeah, when you slide it across, that's
Oh,
a
it
mandolin.
has a mandolin on top. Okay.
That's a mandolin.
It's both.
Told you so.
I didn't see that part. My bad.
And then an apple.
Apple
slice it, you
cutter.
just
There you go.
drop it right on top of there. Another kid's camera. because you get one kid something, the other kid wants it too, and then more of those lights. That's it, folks.
That is fantastic.
Thank you for watching.
This has been unboxing random stuff from a TEMU box with Rice Krispie.
Double-sided foamy team.
Double-sided tape. Peace.